Good, good. You're right on time. Very disciplined.
I've been waiting since like I think 7:20.
Oh, really? The time was 7:30. So sorry to keep you waiting.
No, how are you?
All good. Good to see you. All positive, happy, bubbly. You
And
make our day.
in a good way.
Of course, of
and,
course.
and how's
So
everything else?
everything is good. We are staying safe. Like all Biryani by Kilo employees, family. How are you and your family? Everyone safe?
Yes, everybody's doing really well. We're taking all the precautions. We're not going out at all. Staying at
Hmm.
home. Yesterday was my dad's birthday, so it's
Wow.
a
Okay.
feast.
And
Every-
I think so. So did you like Biryani by Kilo food? The galotis, the biryanis?
Everything's finished. So I really liked it. Like we all,
So,
because we are from Allahabad, Uttar
hmm,
Pradesh, so
hmm.
you don't get that flavor, the one you get in Delhi and um, Lucknow and Allahabad. You don't get it in Bombay. Like, of course, Bombay is an amazing place, but then the food in Delhi is like next level crazy.
Right,
So
right,
it was
right.
really good to have that biryani, where it's not just a lot of masala, but it's really nice, tasty.
No, no, I'm so glad you guys enjoyed it. So, who all is in your family right now in Mumbai? Mother, father, brother?
Mom, dad, my elder sister, my very close friend. He's like a brother to me. He was also there, and then Nani. She also loved it, and the fact that my Nani doesn't like non-veg, which she had yesterday, so it was really
Wow.
nice.
No, I think you ordered Lucknowi, Hyderabadi biryanis, mutton galotis. I think
I
even
don't eat
mutton.
family. My parents love mutton, so it
Love
was
mutton.
just. I sent them the menu. I was like, whatever you want to order, it's a treat from my side. So whatever. How's everything else? Are you home?
No, I'm in Gurgaon. I'm in Gurgaon. But let me give a very brief introduction of everyone knows you of myself in Biryani by Kilo. I am the co-founder and director of Biryani by Kilo. We have more than 50 outlets in 20 cities in India now. So Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Delhi, Gurgaon, Kanpur, Lucknow, Bhopal, matlab Ranchi, Calcutta, almost everywhere. South we are going now, and we're the only company to make fresh handi biryani at each individual order. So only the customer opens the handi. So it's all fresh, hygienic, sealed, very high quality rice, meats, masala, safe. All our safety instructions are on our website. Extra precautions. We screen all our 1,000 employees for any any excess temperature every morning, sanitize our kitchens every hour. So everything which is possible. So customers can be safe, they can be assured. It's a very big company, and we want everyone to be safe. And we are taking all the precautions. And so that's a nutshell. And so wherever you are traveling for shooting in any city, you should order biryani by kilo next time.
Story. My friends had come, and it was me, my best friend Saloni. She's a very famous comedian. She used to play Gangutai, and it
Okay.
was really hungry. We were in a hotel, and she was like, "I want to order biryani," and then she ordered biryani from Biryani by Kilo.
Wow.
And proper aa to gaya, or we both are girls. We don't know how to open it, and we're struggling for like half an hour. We're just trying to open. And yesterday, my nanny got really happy with the handis because she's like, "अब मैं दही जमा सकती हूँ." So I was like, "Yes, you can do that."
नहीं उसमें दही people do cooking of dal or biryani or people put pots in that. It's eco friendly. और पर हांडी ओपन करना इतना मुश्किल नहीं. आप चम्मच की पिछली वाली साइड लेके थोड़े से खुल जाता है. आपने थोड़ा सा
क्या वो थोड़ी देर बाद रियलाइज किया.
तो और इलाहाबाद से आप बॉम्बे कब आए? हाउ मेनी इयर्स यू बीन इन बॉम्बे नाउ?
Been 10 years
10
since.
years.
Yeah, 10 to 11 years. I had come to Bombay for a holiday, but then I gave an audition for just like fun, and it turned out to be really well. My first audition was my first ad, so since then I've been acting or whatever it
Wow.
is.
And you were very young. I think you started as a child actor.
Yes, I was 9 years old when I started, so I've been working for like 10 years now.
So you've been a working and a earning person for a very long time.
Yeah, independent.
Independent. तो अभी इलाहाबाद अभी
And
हम्म,
something. That was biryani.
तो इलाहाबाद वापस जाते हो कभी आप? लाइक
अब
फैमिलीज देयर?
सिंस 5 years में नहीं गई हूँ क्योंकि
ओके.
बहुत काम था और सीरियल के टाइम पे बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिलता है और फिर 2 साल से तो कोविड ही चल रहा है तो कहाँ But I've heard the situation in Delhi is very, very critical. How's everything? How's Gurgaon? Is everything good?
So, of course, the situation is bad and we are all taking precautions. But see, there are always two sides of the story. I see the media is, of course, highlighting, and of course, the cases are quite high. Delhi, mein abhi bhi, we have around 20,000 cases a day. Gurgaon, maybe 4 to 5,000. But having said that, 90% people, of course, everyone has to take whatever precautions they can. But I think of, there's a lot of negativity also. So a lot of people are recovering also, right? 90-95% people. So that is also one side of, and I'm hopeful that by May end or June mid, with all the precautions and government working, I think this should be behind us now.
Touchwood, things in Bombay are really
Hmm.
good. Like it's better, we have less cases, everybody's taking their precautions, nobody's going out. And I actually thought that Delhi won't have so many cases because you guys have such a huge open space and Bombay is just so congested. So, but I hope everything gets better really soon and everybody's safe and wearing their mask and ordering food at home, not going out.
नहीं नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स. पर आप बताइए, सो अभी शूटिंग्स वगैरह बंद हो गई हैं. आर यू स्टेइंग पुट एट होम? क्या कर रहे हो? यू फीलिंग नॉट फीलिंग बोर्ड?
No, I'm not feeling bored. I think I've discovered many other things that I've always wanted to do. And I'm focusing on my social media, whatever it is, trying to contact, be in touch with my fans and everything. And when it comes to shooting for a serial, then of course it's really tiring because you have to shoot for like 12 hours a day. And travel for 2 hours or wherever the set is. So it's really far. And because of COVID, no matter how many precautions you take or whatever you do, you still have a crew of 100 people or more than 100 people where it's light and it's spot or whatever it is. So I don't want to take that risk right now, especially when the situation is not, the best, the safest. So till then, I'm like, it's okay. I'll stay put at home. That's better.
एंड कुछ ओटीटी पे आप देख रहे हो? डू यू एनी फेवरेट वेब सीरीज और मूवीज यू हैव सीन?
I'm
कुछ अच्छा देखा?
I'm a huge fan of K drama, which is like Korean shows. So I've been just watching Korean
Oh,
shows.
okay. आप you look slightly very. I've lived in Singapore 8 years. You have a bit Korean look.
I
So, ठीक.
I I'm
I think
selling my kidney and shifting to Korea.
नहीं, तो कोरियन में आई थिंक यू लाइक द सॉन्ग्स, यू लाइक द मेलोड्रामा, और यू लाइक, आई थिंक, द वेरी स्वीट एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लुकिंग पीपल,
Oh,
राइट?
yeah. I'm not into the songs. It's like totally whole lot of different thing, but I'm more into the shows and everything. So it's really nice. I think it's a good time pass. It's like I'm exploring new things, learning new languages and whatever. I'm still trying to learn how to speak Korean. So it's good.
So maybe we should soon see you in a Korean drama, and someone is hearing, they should give you a chance.
Oh, that'll be a dream come true. I don't mind. I would love that. That's like my dream. Soon,
और
hope
आज
the situation is better, then I'll definitely see you. Then we'll have biryani together.
Of course. I think that will be great together. So we have dine-in outlets in Thane, in Delhi CP, and a lot of tier 2 towns like Jaipur, Ludhiana, Mohali, Kanpur, Bhopal. We have dine-in as well. So whenever, if you're visiting any of them, we'll love to take you to one of our dine-ins as well
I
when you're
set
at.
Thane. When I was shooting for Tara from Satara, my set was in Thane. So every day I used to travel for like 1 hour or 2 hours to my set. And yeah, Thane does have good food. Better than Andheri, I must say.
Good food, yeah.
Place.
More cosmo. So next time you are in Thane, you should go to Biryani by Kilo dine-in outlets. Very good.
And definitely,
We'll,
if I'm shooting there, I'll definitely.
और हाउस, आप थोड़ा कुकिंग वगैरह भी करते हो या नहीं? यू एंजॉय कुकिंग? कभी कभी करते हैं? नहीं?
वो मैं मम्मी के हाथ का खाना. माय मॉम मेक्स अमेजिंग मटन बिरयानी. मैं तभी सिर्फ मटन खाती हूँ, साल में एक बार. बट आई एम इनटू बेकिंग, सो आई एम
बेकिंग
ब्राउनीज फॉर माय फैमिली, फॉर माय फ्रेंड्स, और केक, ऐसा सब कुछ. बट खाना बनाना नहीं सीखा. रोटी तो आज तक मैं बना नहीं पाई. बहुत स्ट्रगल है उसमें.
नहीं, सबके लिए स्ट्रगल है. एंड व्हाट एल्स डू यू लाइक टू डू व्हिच पीपल माइट नॉट नो? डू यू लाइक एनी पोएट्री और सिंगिंग और रीडिंग और एनी ऑफ और स्पोर्ट्स?
played a lot. I sports not that much because half of the time I'm shooting, so it's very hard for me to go and do any sport. I used to do MMA, but that's also really less. But one thing that I want to tell you is that in Allahabad we used to have a lot of gulauti kebab with rumali roti, and
Yeah,
I've been in Bombay. You don't get rumali rotis.
you don't get Somali roti.
And I got so happy that you guys had rumali roti. So we had ordered rumali roti. It was a very nice experience.
No, our kebabs are, we're very well known. Although our name is Biryani by Kilo, but I would say our kebabs are out of the world. And the
Yeah.
Rumali roti. Did you try our finni yesterday?
Yes, I did. I had the rasgulla. I think so. फिर नहीं मम्मी लोगों ने ज़्यादा खाई थी. मैंने रसगुल्ला खाया था. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. वो बहुत टेस्टी था.
But I think it's gulab jamun with rabdi. Gulab jamun with rabdi maybe.
हाँ, गुलाब जामुन with rabdi. It was very.
और कुछ any web series also you intend to do or आप कर रहे हो? Maybe we don't know. Web series also other than TV serials?
Now because everything's on hold because of the COVID situation in Bombay, no shoots are happening in Bombay.
No.
Right? Everybody shifted to Goa and Gujarat, but Goa has really bad cases in Goa. It's really critical right now, so nothing. Everything's on hold. I feel.
So Biryani by Kilo, we recently opened a Goa outlet. So Touchwood, it's doing very well for delivery as well.
Oh,
Goa.
very
So
nice.
next time,
But
But
dine-in also available in Goa? No. Or it's just-
Goa, sorry.
do you have dine-in also available in
Yeah,
Goa?
Goa, we have a dine-in, but we have not opened it till COVID is there. But we have opened a very big dine-in. So once COVID is over, you can really enjoy. It's a very big dine-in there.
Very nice.
हाँ और ये वो anything but you're able to do keeping touch with your friends doing other things.
We can't go and meet, but all we're doing is FaceTiming each other. It's still better than the previous lockdown. You still know at least, everything's all right. But I hope the situation gets better really, really soon.
No, it will. I think it's Maharashtra, so I'm sure anyway the cases are dropping in Bombay, so I think it will happen in the rest of India also. थोड़ा सा any messages you want to take from the screen? A lot of people are sending you love.
Thank you. You guys mean the world to me. Do order from Biryani by Kilo wherever you are from. It's in Indore. It's also in Indore.
It's
Indore,
most
it's in Goa. It's in Delhi, Jaipur, Ludhiana.
like Calcutta, Guwahati, Bhubaneswar, most of places.
Whenever I'm traveling, मैं हर जगह से खाऊंगी.
हाँ ठीक है से हाँ. You're very sweet. I think everyone is writing. You're so sweet. Hi, hello.
Hi.
Is this your sister or who is this?
My mom.
Oh, really? Seriously, you look so young, ma'am. You look
Oh.
so young. So I
Your food was so amazing. I never intrude like this in her life, but I couldn't help, and I just told her I am coming. So I came to thank you.
I'm so glad. You are from Allahabad, ma'am.
Yes.
So आपको थोड़ी सी. I have done my engineering from BHU, so I used to live in Banaras that time.
Oh,
So
I used to go there as a judge. So many times I've been there because I was a
Oh.
choreographer. Yes, I had my.
BHU, okay. So I did my engineering from there. So I've seen Allahabad, and I'm so glad. So we make very.
You just ask Sweetie Walia, people will tell you. Yes, में ताजमहल वैसे इलाहाबाद में स्वीटी वालिया.
Oh, wow, good to know. So we make very authentic. I'm sure you are enjoyed it, but we make very authentic biryani and kebabs and.
I also have to make my mutton biryani and send it to you one day.
So next time I'm in Bombay, I will treat myself to your biryani and we'll do comparison.
Pakka. Chalo, you take care and thank
Take
you so
care.
much.
Thank you for coming and saying hi. Really appreciate it. You two look like almost sisters.
Don't tell anybody I'm a mother. Let's keep it a secret.
100 people already know, but okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Take care. So no, I think so. Looks like you're a very happy, joyful family.
Yes.
Right? सब मजे करते हैं.
Yes.
How many siblings you have?
I only have one sibling, but then of course, as I told you, I have a best friend who's like my younger brother, who's also here, and he loved the food. So it's a small family with 3 dogs.
3 dogs. 3 dogs. Wow.
Love this.
So, no, I think you have a very loving and a very loving and I think very joyful family. I think you are very lucky. And but are you so you are not the youngest one, right?
I'm the youngest in the family.
Oh, so you are the youngest one. So you're still the baby of the family, eh? People
I'm
take care of you.
most pampered in my family.
Most pampered in the family.
All fine. So
So, so how do you like the adulation or the popularity you get as an actress? Does it get overpowering sometimes? So many
no,
people.
it doesn't. It's a great feeling. When people compliment you is when you realize that you've actually achieved so much, and it's a beautiful feeling. I love it. I appreciate my fans so much because if they're not here, then it's nothing. I do get the fact that social media holds a lot of power now in our generation, but then the love matters a lot, and it can be really pressurizing at times that you have to post or you have to get ready, and you have to motivate people, but it's a good thing. And something that I've been really upset is that people are judging influencers or actors who are posting pictures, not going out, but even from home. But they have to realize it's our job, and that's what
Right,
we're supposed to do.
right. And you are bringing positivity through those things, right?
Yeah,
That's your job.
be sad on social media. Then what are you supposed to watch?
No, no, I think your positivity, I think your smile, eyes, everything, that's your greatest asset, right? You have to bring it. And what is that one thing you want to do after lockdown? कहीं travel करना है कहीं
बिरयानी पे डिस्काउंट है क्या? बिरयानी पे डिस्काउंट है.
मेरे को अलग से पिंक करना फिर मैं बताता हूँ. And any message you want to give to your fans, audience, things you want to? People are asking to marry you.
वो होता रहता है अभी.
होता रहता.
But just stay safe wherever you're from. If you're from Delhi, please take care of yourself. Don't go out. Help people who are near you and whatever you can do. Send food to people who have COVID or families who are not doing well right now. Be supportive as much as you can. That's all I would like to say. And order food from Biryani by Kilo. It's amazing and I know you will really like it. He is so sweet, so now you should definitely order it. Amazing and it's definitely really authentic and you do get free handies with it, so definitely order it.
No, thank you, and you stay positive, and we wish you all the success. And I'll say you can order Biryani by Kilo through our website www.biryanibykilo.com or our app or Zomato, Swiggy, or we have an all India call center number 9555 and we are taking all the safety precautions. You also stay safe, do home delivery, and keep watching Roshni. She's a great actress. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Take care. Take care. Bye.